Hello everyone. So yesterday we studied Facebook page ads for which there was a query as to how to give more roles, admin roles, moderator roles, those kind of roles on your Facebook page. So that's why this is a quick video. What you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook page first and then look at the left hand side. In the bottom there is a feature called page settings. You have to click on page settings. The left hand side menu bar opens where you have a tab called page roles. Click on page roles and that's it. You can give somebody, assign a new page role. Assign a new page role means that you have to type a name of a person. For example, I can type name of a person called Radhika, and all those people who are my who are by the name Radhika in my friends list will open, and I can give that particular person. For example, I'm giving Rashmi, who is a friend of mine, a role to to be an admin or editor or moderator over here. I can choose what roles. The moment I choose whichever role that I need to give to that person, it will tell me what is the role that that person can, what is the responsibility and what is the authority that person gets. So the moment you make these changes, this will be shown here, and then you have to add. Once you click on add, the you will again have to put a password of your Facebook account here and then press on button submit. Now one thing which is what you need to remember is you will have to wait for that person to accept that particular role. It is like, you are giving a job to some person, but that person also has to offer a job, has to say okay to that, doing that particular job. So it's very simple. The moment you click on submit button here, the notification goes to that person and that person will accept your request to be an admin or moderator or whatever role that you assign to that person, and then that person can post as a page role on your Facebook page. Simple. Thank you. Do it today itself. See you in the next class.